Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here to give you a look at my new blank mini album design. So every month I create a new set of blank books that I ship out as part of my blank mini album subscription club. So this is the mini album for the month of November, but also if you would like to get a mini album and you don't want to subscribe to the club, I have added a separate listing for blank books. So I recently added some white 4 signature, 6 signature, and I also have a refill, or I guess a restock of the red Christmas books as well. So today I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough of this blank book here. So the book measures 8 by 8 and it has a 3-inch spine and 4 interactive signature pages. I really have fun with this one. I wanted to add an interactive element to each one of the signatures. So let's go ahead and open this up. So on the first page, the inside covers are just plain, so you can add any larger image here, or you can continue building and just add more elements if you like. But over here on the first page, this opens up like that, and we have a 3D page here, so you can add pictures on these 4 places, and this page has a lot of volume. And then here on the back we have a large pocket on the side. So on this next page here, this opens up and we have a 3D picture place right there, so it opens up like that. This is also can also be used as a belly band, so you can add some photo mats on the inside like that, and then place for a picture here. And then here on the back we have a large accordion fold, so this expands and opens up like that. The inside pages are 7.5 by 7.5, and we do have that flat system here with the hinges, so all the pages lay really flat. This opens up to the side, and then it opens up here again. And then on the back of this we have a pocket, so this has a little sliding feature here, so when you open your page, your pocket insert comes out and then it goes back into the pocket, so it's a nice area to add a picture there. And then here on the next page we have that pull down waterfall, so I sized these to 4 by 6, so each one of these will fit a 4 by 6 picture. So this is actually 4.25 by 6.25, so you can just simply glue your 4 by 6 pictures in here and it opens up like that. And then you can of course add a picture on the back there as well. And then here for the back, this opens up like this. So a really interactive book, super fun to create. I do not have a tutorial for these books, but yeah, let me know if you would like to see a tutorial. I am right now working on a few or more of these, but yeah, so that is what I wanted to just quickly share with you, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video. I hope that you enjoy looking at the walkthrough, and I give you some ideas to add onto your mini books as well. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.